Turn our focus now to Brazil, where wildfires are expanding in the world's largest tropical wetland that's been hit hard by drought. The Pantanal wetlands are in central West Brazil. They cover an area of 42 million acres, and Brazil owns 80% of it, while the rest is shared between Paraguay and Bolivia. And satellite data shows a 980% increase in fires in the Pantanal this year, and that's the highest number since 2020, and that was the worst year on record. While nearly 320 million square meters of wetland have been destroyed, they're home to jaguars, tapirs, caimans, anacondas, and giant anteaters. And another strong drought is expected this year after a wet season with rains 60% below average.
Essa época era para estar alagado, o Pantanal está alagado, né? O Pantanal é conhecido como a maior planície alagada do mundo. E agora a gente vê isso aqui, ó. Parecendo um deserto, parecendo um inferno, fogo para todo lado. E agora está muito seco. E é através dessa mudança climática, a gente já sabe disso. Chega a tardezinha, já não tem mais visão para navegar, que a gente trabalha também com barco, fica difícil para respirar, criança também, recém-nascido, é difícil, calor cada vez mais, já o Pantanal já é calor, e aí fica calor, seco, com fumaça, o clima fica muito ruim.
Jogar eles para lá, né, pro lado da Bahia, para eles ter mais recursos de sobreviver, né? Porque do jeito que tá vindo aí, ó, se imprensar ele em algum lugar e não conseguir romper, eles morrem queimados.
Unicamente tristeza. Ver o santuário acabando. Junto com essa chama aí vai muita vida embora, né?
And let's go live now to Monica Yanakiew, who's in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Good to have you with us, Monica. What has caused these fires?
Well, this is a dry season, and it's supposed to start in July, but it started earlier, a month earlier, and this is because we have a natural climate phenomena called El Niño, which has caused extreme droughts in the north and also floods in the south of Brazil. But also there's global warming responsible for this, and also experts say that 84% of the problems there are also the fault of man, human activity. When the lands dry there, these are the largest tropical wetlands in the world. When the lands dry there, like now, then people start taking their cattle there or trying to grow crops in areas that they shouldn't. So the conjunction of these three factors is what is causing this.
Right, and I imagine the impact and the consequences are quite significant.
Yes, they are. This is a region that lives off tourism. Thousands of people go there every year to get to see jaguars from close, to get to see caimans and birds. The largest parrot is there. And these people, they won't be able to do this now if there's, this really affects the tourism business. But also it's an area, it's an agricultural area where there's a lot of cattle growing. So those animals are also at risk. In 2020, which were the worst fires in the Pantanal area, 70 million animals died as a consequence directly of the fires or afterwards because of the smoke, which is already the smoke is already invading the city of Corumbá, and schools have had to close for a couple of days.
Monica Yanakiew reporting from Rio de Janeiro. Thank you, Monica.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.